guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're just going to talk about Falscara lashes, how to apply them, how easy it is to apply them, and just showing you all the tools and the techniques that I use to achieve these lashes. So if you're into these, let me show you guys up close how they're looking. Just keep on watching. So first things first, I have my mirror here. I'm going to be using this so that I can see what I'm doing. And of course we have the Falscara lashes right here. We have the Bond and Seal. And I'm going to be using this I Envy by Kiss Mega Hold eyelash glue as well. And also one more thing, the B&Q Lash Overnighter. So first things first, I'm going to open up my lashes here, and I'm trying to do this as easily and as I'm struggling to take it out of the pack, as easily and as quickly as possible, because this is not hard and it just takes practice, but you can do it. 100% believe that. Another thing that I'm going to be using today is one of these. This is just a spoolie that I have. It's one of the disposable ones. I'm a makeup artist, so I have plenty of these for when I apply mascara to my clients. But first, I'm just taking that and I'm just going to separate my natural lashes. I'm just brushing through them so they're not like on top of each other, sticking together. You just want a very clean and groomed space to start with. You're also going to need one of these. You can buy these packs that has this, and this in it, and just start you off buying a pack like that, and then you can just keep buying the lashes, and you don't have to buy the glue anymore. You can get a lot of applications out of that. So this says small, medium, and large. And I'm going to take my Bond and Seal, and I am going to go ahead and apply the Bond, which is the black part. You just apply it to your natural lashes. I put a generous amount because this is very sticky. It's like the glue, and I like my lashes to last at least a week, like so. Then I'm going to go into my lash kit here. I'm going to start with the outer corner, and I'm just going to grab, I kind of bend it, and I take it off with my hand because I don't want to destroy any of the hairs. I like to use these tweezers. Some I just got from Walgreens, you know, the normal, the average looking tweezer. I pick up my lash and I take my I Envy glue, I squeeze it, and then I just dab the top part of the lash on top of it like that. Let's see. I hold it like this, and I'm gonna be a little crisscross because that's how I put on my lashes. I'm gonna hold my mirror in this hand, and I look down, and I just apply it underneath. Like so. And you make sure you're not getting it too close to your waterline. If you do, it's going to irritate your eye, it's going to bother you. I know you want it to look as natural as possible, but you do not want it on or super close to your waterline. So I'm going to take another long, that was a long, I'm going to take another long, and I'm going to add that to my outer corner right next to it. And I'm just simply doing the same steps, taking my adhesive, squeezing it out, dabbing it on the top. You can apply it, and then you can kind of maneuver it with the other end of your tweezer, and it's looking like this. The reason I use this extra adhesive is because I just want to make sure they're on and that they last me at least 1 week. So I feel like when I apply this extra glue, it's going to do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this eye, and I'll show you guys. That's it. I mean, it's super simple. Now listen, it does take practice, and I've been doing this for a while now, so I've kind of gotten my own rhythm, and you can get your own rhythm because you do have to maneuver your hands a certain way and tilt and look down, you know, get your own way of doing it. But once you get it, you can do this. You can do it. And it saves you all this money from lash extensions. Just do this every week. Even if it was, these are about $8. Even if you bought these, like, even if you bought these every week, 8 times 4, $32 as opposed to $250 just to get your lashes done. And then that's not even counting the refills. That's just crazy. So I went on here, I'm sorry, I'm talking. I took off a medium, so I'm gonna go up to this right here, taking off one of these mediums and just doing that same thing. You're gonna look down into your mirror. Place it underneath. I'm checking to make sure I didn't get it too close to the lash line. And there you go. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna take another medium, take my tweezer, my adhesive, looking down, sticking it on there. It's already looking so good. And I'm going to go in with my small. See, I'm going from long to short. Taking that lash, looking down. And sometimes you do have to maneuver your hands, like I said, so that you can see. And I'm trying to show you guys, so it's kind of different. I'm gonna look down. And I'm just gonna apply that underneath. If you do get it too close to your waterline, you do wanna fix that while it's a little bit tacky. And then you don't want to pull your lash out because it's hardened and you don't like it and it's irritating your eye. It's just a mess. And this is how it looks after you've completed those steps. Then I'm going to go in with my seal. I'm going to take my tweezers that come in the pack and I'm just going to rub this in between, like so. I'm gonna take my tweezer and I'm just going to squeeze together all that work we just did. Can you see? I'm just squeezing, pinching. You want your natural lash and the false lashes to look seamless. Like so. Then I'm gonna go in with my B&Q overnighter. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. This just extends the wear of your lashes. You guys, I'm just all about making sure they're secure so they last me at least 5 to 7 days. And so I'm just gonna lift my lash and just apply this. Don't get this in your eye. I'm applying it on over top of just where I put those strips. So kind of like you're putting on eyeliner. I'm putting it above the strip, kind of in between. Kind of poking it in between the strips. Just adding that extra layer of security. You're gonna let that dry. And then guys, that is all. It is not hard to apply these lashes at all. And they're beautiful and they'll last you, I say in my experience, I keep saying it, but they last a week. You can also go in and layer these if you like for a more dramatic look, or you can just leave them like this. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my other eye, and we'll come back and give you my final thoughts. And so guys, I went and applied a little bit of makeup just so you can see how these are with makeup and like before without. They look good either way. If you're an all makeup girl, if you are a no makeup girl, these lashes are amazing. See how natural they look. And they just complement you very well from the side. And yes, thank you guys so much for being here today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I do all things Jesus, makeup, lifestyle, all of it. So don't forget to stay here. I want to see you again. So make sure you hit that notification bell. I love you, Jesus loves you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.